Welcome to 677 Starlight Drive. This recently renovated home is located in Starlight Hills High Point area of the highly coveted Sandy Springs. This front entry features a brick patio, overlooking the beautiful, large front yard. The spacious foyer opens up to the formal living room and dining room area on your right. The bright, open-concept layout provides ample amount of natural light throughout the home. Notice the plantation shutters to the left and spacious foyer in the back. The dining room also overlooks the front of the home. Notice the beautiful floors.